So the best way to take the most advantage out of a dash cam is to make sure that your camera has a complete coverage around the car. So the front only dash cams and dual channel dash cams have sort of a limited coverage around the car, but the triple channel dash cams offer a wider area of coverage including the sides of the car, which becomes important in many crucial situations. So in this video I'll be showing you a list of my favorite triple channel dash cams which you can buy in the Amazon sale right now with some super amazing discounts. And if you're in the market looking to buy a really good triple channel dash camera, you've just arrived at the right video. So make sure you watch this entire video and get all the info which you need to make that correct purchase decision. Also do note guys that before you watch the rest of this video, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button. I'll be bringing up series of videos showing you some of the best tech that's available in this Amazon sale. So grab your seats and grab some popcorn. This video is going to blow your mind. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. So starting off the list with one of the cheapest and the most value for money triple channel dash cams that's available out there. I'm talking about the Redtiger F17 triple channel dash cam, which generally trends at a price of about 16 to 17,000 rupees. Now in this sale you can get it at an amazing price, and also along with the fact that this camera gives you a 4K front resolution with full HD resolution in the interior and the rear cameras. This camera also has a super cool user interface on the screen and is very easy to control. This camera also gets GPS, 5GHz Wi-Fi, gets a 3-inch screen and also gets a free 64GB card right inside the box. So for all the time I've tested this dash cam, it has stood up to its expectations, and considering this is the ultra low budget triple channel dash cam offering you a 4K resolution, you just cannot go wrong with this. So if you do want to purchase the Redtiger F17, you get an exclusive discount coupon of 1,660 rupees just because you are a viewer of Travel Tech. Click down on the description, click on the purchase link for the Redtiger F17, wherein you'll be redirected to the Redtiger website, and within the website just apply the coupon TRAVELTECH, TRAVELTECH. So by application of this coupon you get a straight of 1,660 discount and you get the dashcam for a super awesome discounted price. So this dashcam is already a super value for money proposition at the price it trends at, and getting additional discount of 1,660 is just simply cherry on top. So don't miss this golden opportunity to buy yourself the cheapest and the most value for money triple channel dashcam, the Redtiger F17, with an exclusive Travel Tech discount. So moving on to the second dash camera, the second triple channel dash cam in the list, I'm talking about the Wolfbox IO7. Now I personally haven't tested this dash camera, but it has come across since many people have been commenting about it. I've been trying to get the camera for quite some time and Wolfbox hasn't yet responded yet, but still I'm gonna go ahead and recommend this since this has kind of a similar features of the Redtiger F17 and also comes at a similar price point. The Wolfbox IO7 also gives you a 2.5K front resolution with a dual 1080p resolution for the interior and the rear. Along with it, it also gets a 3-inch LCD screen, GPS, Wi-Fi, and also gets a super capacitor. So just in case if you are looking to buy a triple channel dash cam at a price of about 17 to 18,000 rupees, and if you have the Wolfbox IO7 within your mind because of its features, you can also go ahead and buy it, and I would definitely recommend that since this also comes under the great value for money proposition price bracket of 15 to 20,000 bucks. Do check out the dashcam by clicking on the link in the description below. So the third dash camera, the third triple channel dash cam which I would recommend is the Vantrue E3 triple channel dash cam. Now this generally trends at a price of about 22 to 23,000 rupees. This dashcam gets you a 1944p front resolution with dual full HD resolution for the interior and the rear camera. It gets GPS, it gets 5GHz Wi-Fi, it gets voice control, and also gets buffered parking mode, along with the fact that this camera also supports 512GB memory card. If you want to check out some of the more details about the Vantrue E3, you can check out the description below. I'll give you a link right there. But if you do want to buy a Vantrue dashcam at a super budget price for about 20 to 23,000, since this is a very premium brand, getting a triple channel dash camera backed by the brand of Vantrue, wherein the price generally trends at 22, now in the sale it comes down even more, it would definitely be a super awesome deal. So go ahead and grab the E3 if you don't want to spend beyond the 20,000 price bracket and want to get the goodness of having a triple channel setup for your car. So all the three dash cams which I just mentioned now don't actually get the Sony starvis 2 sensor. So if you are someone who is looking to buy a triple channel dash cam but also want to have the goodness of having a starvis 2 sensor for its exceptional night visibility, the rest of the three cameras which I'm going to show you are going to be one of your perfect choices. Well, the dashcam I'm going to talk about is one of the finest and one of the best dashcams I've tested out in my recent times. I'm talking about the Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel dash camera. Yes, this dashcam comes at a price of about 32 to 33,000 in normal times, but in the sale the price will be coming down even more. This dashcam supports a starvis 2 IMX678 sensor and offers one of the finest 4K native 4K resolutions backed by HDR. Both interior and the rear cameras support full HD resolution along with HDR. It also gets voice control, it gets GPS and also supports memory cards up to 512 GB. I've made an extended review video of the Vantrue N4 Pro, and if you want to check out the review before you make that purchase decision, I'll leave a link in the description below for the review video of this camera and even all the other cameras which I've reviewed till date. So if you have a budget of about 30,000 and you want to buy the best available camera, a triple channel setup, the Vantrue N4 Pro should definitely be your choice. That being said, what if you want to buy something even more better? Well, what can be even more better than having a starvis to 4K of the Vantrue N4 Pro? Well, what's one starvis to where you can get two? The next camera I'm going to talk about is the VIOFO A229 series. The Plus and the Pro variant both come in a triple channel. The specialty of these two dash cams is that they get dual starvis 2 sensors and a single starvis 1 sensor in the interior camera. This is completely mind-blowing. The A229 Plus triple channel variant gives you a 2K resolution at the front and a 2K resolution at the rear, which no other brand has ever offered till date. And for the fact that both front and the rear camera get a starvis 2 sensor and the third interior camera gets a starvis 1 sensor. This is simply amazing. The A229 Pro on the other hand offers you a native 4K resolution with HDR. The A229 Plus, as said previously, offers you a 2K resolution at the front with HDR. Although in the A229 Pro triple channel variant you do get a CPL filter right within the box, but that's just not the sweet thing about these cameras. These two cameras offer some of the finest and the most advanced features, including one of the best parking modes I've seen in any dash camera, including buffered parking mode and motion detection parking mode. This also gets a quad GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control and whatnot. I mean, you basically think of any feature and you'll find it in the VIOFO A229 series, both the Plus and the Pro variant. So if you want to buy the best of the best and you don't want to compromise on any aspect and budget is not the limit, the A229 Pro triple channel would be the perfect choice for you. And if you have sort of a budget of about 30,000 rupees and you don't want to spend beyond that, the VIOFO A229 Plus triple channel variant would be the perfect choice for you. Trust me when I say this, these two cameras are simply best at what they do and you cannot beat these two cameras in terms of their performance. So these are the ultimate triple channel dash cams which you can buy in the Amazon sale right now, and you're gonna get it at some super cool, some super amazing discounts. I'll give you the links to purchase these dash cams right down below in the description. Just go ahead, click on the description, find the discounted price and go ahead and grab your dash cam and save yourself a lot of money. Make sure you buy these dash cams within the sale time, because after the sale the prices are gonna shoot back up and you're gonna miss saving yourself some tremendous amount of money. Also, if you do have any doubts or queries regarding any of these cameras, you can write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find the review videos for each of these cameras in the description below. So if you just are interested in getting some more information about any of these cameras before you actually want to buy it, you can go ahead and watch the videos in the description below. So I hope this video has helped you out in making the correct purchase decision. And in case if it did, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Also don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Insta and the WhatsApp page. The links to those are given in the description as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.